Hey, what's up everyone, welcome to Pasha Media Technology Support. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can create a bootable Windows 10 flash drive. Now, since the technology of CDs and DVDs, we all know that it might get out of the picture soon. We are now coming up with new ways of how we can boot and load our operating systems to our laptops without the need of DVDs and CDs. So this video is gonna be helpful if you're a technician, or if you are somebody who is in trouble with your laptop, you don't know how to load it, or maybe your computer, you don't have DVDs or CDs that you can use for that. Alright, so in order for this to happen, you will need certain things. First of all, you will need a computer that is running. Alright, if you have a computer that is running, then you will need also a Windows 10 image or ISO file. Now, I created my one from the disk that I bought, but you can download if there are more on the internet, or you can just buy one if you can get from Windows Microsoft website. After you got in the Windows 10 image, you will now need a tool that can help you to create the bootable file. In this case, I'm gonna be using Power ISO. You can download Power ISO from their website. I can show you from this desktop here. You can download it from this page. This is poweriso.com download.php. You can get it from here. So if you're using a 64-bit operating system, you're able to download it from here, or whether it's a 32-bit operating system, you can download it from here. Okay, so once you have that, then now you need a minimum of 8 GB flash drive. Alright, so once you have all these four things in place, then now it's time to create a bootable Windows flash drive. So as I can show you here from my documents of videos, I have this Windows 10 image. This is a 32-bit plus 64-bit all-in-one Tech ISO. I got this from a friend and it works like wonders. But for me to be able to use this, I need to put it on a DVD or on a CD. And as you can see, the file size is not compatible with the normal 4.7 DVDs. So that means I must buy the 8 GB DVDs, which are scarce. You don't get them a lot easily. And yeah, but anyway, thanks to this new tool that I'm going to show you guys how you can create bootable files, how you can create bootable operating systems using a flash drive. Okay, so once that is in place, my flash drive is connected here. As you can see, removable disk F, and if I can right click on it, you can see that it's 8 GB. So as you know, it doesn't really show 8 GB, but you can see that this is an 8 gig flash drive. Okay, so first thing first, once you have that in place, I have my Power ISO installed. I can show you from the taskbar. Here it is. So once that is installed, then that means I'm now ready to create my Windows 10 bootable flash drive. So all you need to do is right click on the Power ISO and run as administrator. Now don't miss this point, because this is the goal. Once you just open it, normally it won't give you the option of creating the bootable flash drive. So we run as admin, and then it's gonna ask you, do you want to do all that stuff? I'll be like, yes. Alright, so since I'm using a demo version, it does bring this all the time. So don't get annoyed about this message unless if you want to buy it cash. So you can buy Power ISO also from their website as well. But I'm just using this for a demonstration of this video, so I don't mind using the free version or the trial version in this case. So here what we need to do is continue as unregistered. Once we create that, then you will see that there is this file, view, action, tools, options up here. All you need to do is just go to the tools and then create a bootable USB drive. And this window will show up. So once this shows up, it has already selected the flash drive that I plugged in. So you have to be very technical on this one, because if your computer is holding 6 or 7 flash drives, all of them, they will appear under this list. But in this case, I have only plugged one flash drive. That's why there is only one flash that is appearing here. Okay, so image file, select the source file or compact disc. You can select a DVD that is already in your DVD ROM, or you can just select the image file like the one that I showed you. So in this case, I have an image file. I'll just click there, and it's in my videos. I'll select it and then open. Okay, so once that is done, you're ready to create a bootable flash drive, and all you need to do is just click start. Okay, so in this case, the computer is going to ask you that, okay, but there might be some important files that you might want to keep inside of this flash drive, because this process is going to format the hard drive, the flash drive. Are you okay that the process should format the flash drive? So you can just do a quick check, go in the flash drive, see if there isn't anything that you need there, and then if there isn't anything, then you just press OK. And then this bar here will count from this to this, which is, we can say, from 1% to 100%, something like that. That is the time that you're gonna have to wait for the computer to create that bootable flash drive. So while it's doing that, we can always go and have coffee and then come back, and then I'll show you guys that the flash drive is done and it's ready to be a bootable on any laptop or any computer that you can load or install the operating system, Windows 10 in this case. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you when it's done. Okay, so as you can see, it's written writing USB drive completed successfully. At this moment, our Windows 10 has been created on a flash drive, and it can boot anytime, any place, on any computer, as long as the computer meets the requirements. All right, so if this video has been helpful, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you want me to create a certain video that you might be interested to know. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. This was Pasha Media Technology Support. See you next time.